Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram chats organized and easy to find, adding specific contacts to folders is a great way to tidy things up. Today, I'll show you the simplest, most up-to-date way to add a contact to a folder in Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once inside, you'll see your list of chats. Scroll through and find the chat with the contact you want to organize. Now, here's where it gets easy. Long press on the chat with that contact. This action will highlight the chat and bring up a menu of options at the top or side of your screen, depending on your device. Look for the three dots icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Tap on those three dots to reveal more options. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Add to Folder. Tap on it. A list of your existing folders will pop up. If you've already created folders for work, friends, family, or any other category, just select the folder where you want this contact to go. If you haven't made any folders yet, you can usually create a new one from this screen by tapping Create New Folder, giving it a name, and then saving it. Once you've selected the right folder, Telegram will instantly add that chat to your chosen folder. Now, when you open that folder, you'll see the contact right there, making it much easier to manage your conversations and keep your Telegram neat and organized. That's all it takes. With these quick steps, you can group your most important contacts, separate work from personal chats, or just declutter your main chat list. If you want to move more contacts, simply repeat the process for each chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.